shit look good.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Darissa Explains It All. We are back with another video on Jamaican style rice and peas. If you follow me on Instagram, you've definitely seen me post rice and peas quite a bit of times. I'm always making it, my family loves it. This video was requested and I love Jamaican cuisine, so why not show you my go-to way of making rice and peas. It's very easy, anybody can make it, so let's get cooking. In a medium-sized sauce pot, you're going to add in 1 can of dark red kidney beans, along with 1 cup of water and 1 can of coconut cream. Your heat should be on medium-high heat. You're also going to be adding in 2 cloves of garlic. I have 1 regular clove of garlic and 1 fried clove of garlic that I have from my escovitch fish video. You're also going to be adding in about 1.5 tablespoons of dried thyme. I have about 1/2 cup of green onions that I've just roughly chopped. You want to add those in and go ahead and bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Right now, all those flavors are melting and it's making that liquid so good like you could drink this. Like me personally, I would want to drink it. It's just that good. With the coconut cream, like I used to use coconut milk, but the coconut cream, it has this sweet flavor to it and this is like a drink, y'all. Alright, so we're at a rolling boil, you guys, and you see the liquid is starting to foam up, and this is what you want to see. We're going to let this boil for about 1 more minute before we add in the salt. Alright, so that minute has passed, and I'm going to go ahead and add about 1.5 tablespoons of salt. It's really to your preference. You could actually taste this liquid. Like I said, it really does taste like some kind of drink. I don't know what kind of drink, but it's good. So after I add my salt, I like to wait about 1.5 minutes. I want all the salt to dissolve and flavor up this liquid. Get all up in there thoroughly. I don't know, that might be a mental thing, but that's how my mind be working. So we're going to turn our heat down, and the reason for this is because once you put that rice in there, you don't want all this liquid to evaporate at such a fast pace that it does not cook the rice and the rice doesn't get tender. So turn your heat down. We're going to gradually turn our heat down throughout the cooking process. If you're anal like me, don't focus too much on the pepper staying down. It just kept popping back up. It was bothering me, but I just let it go. Let go and let God. Alright, so periodically I just check on the rice, give it a little shaky shake. I think this rice cooked for about a total of, it was no more than 40 minutes, 35 minutes maybe. I'm not sure. You'll just have to really pay attention to the video and just keep an eye on your rice. You'll see the liquid start to evaporate, so you'll know once you see that rice poking through. Just check it and cook it to your liking. I like my rice with a little al dente, kind of like you would cook pasta, to the tooth, where I could still bite it and it's not mushy. It still has like a slight crunch to it. So cook it to your preference. Alright, so once you reach this point that you see in the video, when your rice looks like this, you want to go ahead and stir it up. And we just want to release that liquid out of here. This will cook about 3 more minutes. Once we reach that 3 minutes, you just want to go ahead, turn your heat completely off, and leave the lid on your rice for about 10 minutes. Beautiful! Alright, our rice is all done, you guys. There you have it, Jamaican style rice and peas, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Y'all don't have to suffer through me smacking this time. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, you guys. And I will see you all for the next video.